Yeah, great. So, in this video, we will learn how to find gross profit margin of manufacturing and trading revenue. So, as we all know that there are two type of things. One is manufacturing, and another one is trading. So, so I know a lot of people know that what is manufacturing and trading, but those who don't know, so manufacturing is we are manufacturing that product from buying raw material, and then with the help of machines we are making the product with end use, while trading means we are buying from something somewhere and then keeping that product at our warehouse or at our shop and then selling to customer. So in trading we are not manufacturing anything, we are just doing simply buy and sell, whereas in manufacturing we are making the product and then selling the product to end customer. So there is nothing more in trading and revenue and manufacturing and trading. So current now we will learn about how to find manufacturing revenue and trading revenue. That if company is generating 1,000 crore of revenue for FY24, so in that how much is manufacturing revenue and how much is trading revenue? Generally, because if you see the gross profit margins or the margins in manufacturing are more than trading, generally this happens for most of the companies. So if there is shift from, like earlier company used to do trading like 50 use 50% of the revenue used to be manufacturing while 50% used to be trading, but now as an ahead going ahead they are shifting more into manufacturing, so their gross profit margin will also increase. And the how to calculate gross profit margin, that I have already explained in my previous video, so you can see that. So now we will take one live real company example. So yeah, so there is Vidhi Special. So we will do for 3 years, 24, 23, 2022, right? Yeah, so I will do 23, 20, 24, 24 and 20, 22. So we will first take 2024 numbers from FY24 AR24 and consolidation number consolidated. So here you can see the FY24, the revenue of VD specialty is this revenue from operation, which is 30341 lakhs for FY24 revenue from operation. For FY23 it is this. For FY22 we will take FY22 number from FY23, which is 53705. So these are the revenue for VD specialty: 53705, 40399 and 30341. Now we need to calculate what is the manufacturing revenue, manufacturing revenue and trading revenue. So now they see we need to go to this footnote, which is 17 number. So we will scroll down a little bit, and here these are notes. So here we need to go to 17 number of footnote. These are called generally footnote. So here it is. Now here you can see sale of product, finished goods and traded products. So these are manufacturing product and these are traded product. The revenue of manufacturing and revenue of traded. So for FY24 the finished goods were this and traded was this. Traded means generally buy and sell, and we are not making anything in house. And for FY23 this was manufacturing and this was trading. And for FY22 note number 17, and for FY22 it was manufacturing was this, while trading was this. So if we see that how much percentage of manufacturing revenue was there in 2022 and 2024, so we can find it by manufacturing revenue divided by revenue from operation, which is 45%. And now manufacturing revenue is 67% and 87% of total revenue, and trading now contribute, earlier it used to be contribute 54%, 53%, and now it is contributing 10%. Now, so these are the manufacturing revenue and manufacturing trading revenue, and this is the contribution in revenue, manufacturing, and this is trading. Okay. Now we need to find, for gross profit margin, gross profit, we need what is the revenue and COGS, which is cost of goods sold. So for COGS, what we will, how we will calculate is, थोड़ा अभी अच्छे से ध्यान देना, इजी है पर थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स है, इसलिए बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है. So these three line item are COGS for a company. I have explained this in my previous video. So for this, now COMC, this is cost of raw material. This cost of raw material, purchase of stock in trade, and change in inventory of finished goods, stock in trade, and work in progress. Now, so थोड़ा ध्यान देना अभी. So एक होता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेवेन्यू और एक होता है दूसरा ट्रेडिंग रेवेन्यू. अब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेवेन्यू के पास का भी COGS होगा और ट्रेडिंग का भी COGS होगा. तो कॉस्ट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ COGS, कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड में तीन चीज़ होती है: कॉस्ट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल कंज्यूम, परचेज ऑफ स्टॉक इन ट्रेड, एंड चेंज इन इन्वेंट्री ऑफ फिनिश गुड, स्टॉक इन ट्रेड एंड वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. सो जनरली कॉस्ट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल जो होता है ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का COGS होता है. अब परचेज ऑफ स्टॉक इन ट्रेड होता है ट्रेडिंग का COGS. मतलब कि बाहर से खरीदा वो हो गया एक्सपेंस, और जितने में बेचा वो हो गया रेवेन्यू. खरीदा और बेचा, और इसमें बनाना कुछ नहीं है, सीधा हमको लाना है अपनी शॉप पे और बेचना है, तो ये होगा ट्रेडिंग COGS. अब चेंजेस इन इन्वेंट्री ऑफ फिनिश गुड, स्टॉक इन ट्रेड एंड वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, इसको अपने को और थोड़ा तोड़ना पड़ेगा ताकि अपने पास ये नंबर आए. तो कुछ नहीं, वो भी हो जाएगा. तो एक बार मैं नंबर पंच कर देता हूँ. 2024 का 2024 का COMC, this is purchase of stock in trade, trading COGS, and this is we will do more. Same, this is manufacturing COGS, this is trading COGS, and this is we need to buy it more. And for 2022, the manufacturing COGS is this, and trading COGS is this, and this is this one. Sorry. Now we need to go more deep into changes in inventory of finished good, stock in trade, and work in progress footnote. So we will go at 20 for FY21. We will go at 21 number footnote, which is given here. So we will go 21 number, which is, yeah, this changes in inventory of finished good, traded goods, and work in progress. So what happen is, here there are three things, which is finished goods, stock in trade, and work in progress. So what happen is, stock in trade is also COGS for trading, whereas finished good is for manufacturing, and work in progress is also for manufacturing. Why work in progress is for manufacturing? Because see, why do we need work in progress for trading. We don't need work in progress. Will be for like माल बन रहा है, तो माल बनेगा जब हम बना रहे खुद, और बनाएंगे तब जब हम खुद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेंगे। पर ट्रेडिंग में ऐसा नहीं है, और सेम फिनिश गुड में भी ऐसा नहीं है। तो ये स्टॉक इन ट्रेड होता है ट्रेडिंग का, वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस होता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का, और ये होता है फिनिश गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का। तो अब इसको और तोड़ते हैं। तो अब इसमें एक फॉर्मूला होता है, ओपनिंग माइनस क्लोजिंग। तो देखो, पहले हम ओपनिंग ले लेंगे सारी इन्वेंट्री का, फिनिश गुड ले लेंगे, वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, ठीक है। इसमें ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग सेम, फिनिश गुड हो गया, वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस हो गया फिनिश गुड, इसमें ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग, और सेम ले लेंगे ट्रेडेड गुड्स का, ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग। 2024 का हम वर्किंग प्रोग्रेस का ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग लिख देंगे। तो इन्वेंट्री एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर और एंड ऑफ द ईयर, तो ये जो एंड ऑफ द ईयर ये हो गया क्लोजिंग। मतलब 2024 में इन्वेंट्री एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर, मतलब 2024 की इन्वेंट्री एंड में, मतलब क्लोजिंग हो गई। और ये हो गई बिगिनिंग, मतलब ओपनिंग हो गई, कि इस साल ओपनिंग में ये थी कि वर्किंग प्रोग्रेस ओपनिंग में मेरा था ये, लेकिन साल के एंड में 31 मार्च को मेरी क्लोजिंग थी ये वर्किंग प्रोग्रेस की। तो ओपनिंग इन्वेंट्री में मैं ये लिख दूंगा, वर्किंग प्रोग्रेस के ओपनिंग में मैं ये लिख दूंगा, और क्लोजिंग में आ जाएगा 1501। जस्ट सेकेंड, या 1501, सॉरी। ओके, नाउ सेम फॉर फिनिश गुड्स, विच विल बी ओपनिंग विल बी दिस and closing will be this for finished goods. For traded goods, opening will be this and closing will be this. Now, so we will do opening minus closing. So the opening minus closing, which will be this. Same for finished goods and same for traded goods, which will be C. Opening minus closing, opening minus closing, and opening minus closing. Now, as we know that for finished goods, work in progress will be manufacturing COGS, and finished good will also be manufacturing COGS, and traded will be traded COGS. Now we will check this whether our answer is right or not. So how we will do it is by adding all these three numbers. See, these both are matching, so our calculation is right here, that 323 and 323. Now same way we will do for 2023. Now for 2023, at the end of the year, so this is closing. At the beginning of the year for FY23, so this is opening. So opening of working progress will be this 1484. So for FY23 working progress opening will be this, and closing will be this 1932. Now see here, this is 2023 का ये हो गया क्लोजिंग, तो 2024 का ये ओपनिंग ही होगा। 31 मार्च को अगर मेरे पास 100 करोड़ का माल था और 1 अप्रैल को नया साल चालू होता है, तो 1 करोड़ को ओपनिंग मेरा 100 करोड़ ही रहेगा, उसके बीच में थोड़ी कुछ होगा, जनरली सेम ही रहता है। तो क्लोजिंग इजकल्स टू ओपनिंग रहता है, कि ये था 2023 का क्लोजिंग 31 मार्च को FY23 में। अब न्यू FY24 आया जब, तब मेरा क्लोजिंग ही मेरा ओपनिंग रहेगा। सेम इस साल में ये मेरा जो क्लोजिंग है ये 2025 में ये ओपनिंग रहेगा, ये इधर ऐसे आ जाएगा। बट अभी अब फिनिश गुड्स का ओपनिंग और ये करते हैं। फिनिश गुड्स का ये हो गया ओपनिंग, और ये हो गया फिनिश गुड्स का क्लोजिंग। सेम यही 833.62, इधर भी 833.62, क्योंकि क्लोजिंग ही नेक्स्ट ईयर का ओपनिंग रहता है। और वही ट्रेडिंग सीओजीएस का देखें तो ये हो गया ओपनिंग, दिस इज क्लोजिंग। सेम 2135.90, 35.90. Now same we will do to check whether our answer is right or not. Yeah, right. Now same we will do for 2022. We will go at footnote number 21. This is the opening, so this will be the closing of previous year. Same way this is opening, so this will be closing of previous year. Same way this is opening for FY23, so closing will be this only. I will check. See, for FY22 the opening is this for work in progress 764, and closing is 1484.51. 1484.51. For finished goods opening is this 934.85. 934.85 and closing will be 810.25. 810.25. For trading the opening will be 803.50. 803.50 and closing will be 1895.11. 1895.11. Same way we will check whether our answer is right or not. Yeah, so here we have checked also that our answer is right. So now as we know that work in progress is for manufacturing COGS, finished good is also for manufacturing COGS, and traded good is for trading COGS. So from this we can calculate what is the manufacturing COGS overall in all those three line item and trading COGS overall. So how we will do is see manufacturing COGS, which will be nothing but manufacturing finished goods COGS plus manufacturing COGS of work in progress plus COMC, cost of raw material consumed, plus nothing, this three only. Finished goods of finished goods manufacturing, which is COGS for manufacturing. Work in progress is also COGS for manufacturing, and we have taken cost of raw material for manufacturing. Now for trading COGS, it will be traded COGS, traded goods plus purchase of stock in trade. So now see, we have taken this in manufacturing COGS, we have taken this in traded COGS, and we have taken this two line item in this in manufacturing COGS and one line item in trading COGS. So with this we have got the manufacturing COGS and traded COGS. Now we will same way we will copy, which will be this finished good plus work in progress plus COMC, good plus work in progress plus COMC, and for traded stock in trade plus purchase of stock in trade. Now we know manufacturing revenue, so we can find manufacturing gross profit, which will be nothing but revenue, which is this manufacturing revenue minus manufacturing COGS, which is this manufacturing revenue minus manufacturing COGS, and trading gross profit will be trading revenue minus trading COGS, which is this. So this is gross profit of trading and manufacturing both. Trading revenue minus trading COGS, trading revenue minus trading COGS, which is nothing but gross profit. Now to find manufacturing gross profit margin and trading gross profit margin, we can easily calculate now. It will be manufacturing gross profit margin which will be मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट डिवाइड बाय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेवेन्यू. इधर ध्यान रखना क्योंकि बहुत लोग इसमें टोटल रेवेन्यू कर देते हैं. नहीं, होगा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेवेन्यू. क्या हुआ? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेवेन्यू, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट divided by manufacturing revenue and not overall revenue. We will do divide by manufacturing revenue and not overall revenue. We will copy and paste. And for trading COG, trading gross profit margin, it will be same. Trading gross profit divided by trading revenue, not overall revenue. We will copy and paste. So here it is. If you see, the manufacturing gross profit margin is more as compared to trading gross profit margin. And if company is shifting that, as we can see in Vidhi specialty example, that now the manufacturing revenue contribute 46%. Earlier it used to contribute 46% in FY22, but now it is contributing 87%. Whereas trading is becoming less and less, so the margins, the gross profit margin for company will increase. Therefore, overall PAT margin can also increase. So this was for how to calculate manufacturing COGS, manufacturing and trading COGS, and on back of that, how to calculate manufacturing gross profit margin and trading gross profit margin. Uh, if we will check once whether all things are right or not. If we add both of this, the answer will be, yeah, little bit of 1k 2k will, there will be difference because of some other line items, but it is fine. It won't contribute 5 2%, 5 4%, so it's fine. But overall, you got the idea how to calculate manufacturing gross profit margin and trading gross profit margin. So we will check once, which is COMC, purchase of stock in trade, changes in this work in progress. It will be opening minus closing, opening minus closing. The this year closing will be next year opening. 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 Opening minus closing, 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 opening minus closing. Manufacturing COGS will be COMC plus work in progress plus finished goods plus, and traded COGS will be traded goods plus stock in purchase of stock in trade. So this two, if we over 39808 and this is 39808, so yeah, this is also right. If we add this all three number, which will be this 39808, and if we add this two number too, the answer will be 39808.99. So yeah, this is also right. Now trading gross profit, if we come, so it will be revenue minus COGS, which is trading revenue minus manufacturing revenue minus manufacturing COGS, and trading revenue minus trading COGS. Yeah, this is also right. This is also right, and this is also right. Same this is also right. And this is also right. Yeah. So this is trading COGS, and trading gross profit will be trading gross of manufacturing gross profit divided by manufacturing revenue, not overall revenue. A lot of people do confusion here and have a confusion here that they take revenue from operation. Manufacturing gross profit divided by revenue from operation. No, it will be manufacturing revenue. So yeah, this is also right. This is also right. This is also right. E8, F8. Yeah, yeah. So this is how to calculate manufacturing and trading gross profit. So yeah, if you have any confusion, you can comment. And I'm so sorry. Actually, I don't know how to make videos. This is my second video only. Day by day, I will be becoming more and more better in explanation too. I'm apology if something wrong happens, और अगर आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आया तो, but day by day I will make myself do better and make better videos. So in this video, generally what I wanted to make sure how to learn about manufacturing and trading gross profit margin, which we have done. So yeah, I will stop the recording now, and thank you for seeing this video. And yeah. You can try this on companies. If you are having any problem, you can comment. You can try on VIP industry too. Now I want to show you one thing. See, if we see companies like now if we see Vidhi Special, no, Vinati Organics. So now you can also tell that whether this company is doing manufacturing or trading just by looking at the looking three line item in in PNL. So if we see this in Vinati, so see COMC is also there, purchase of stock in also there, and changes in inventory of finished goods, stock in trade and work in progress is also there. So this tells us that Vinati Organics do both manufacturing and trading too. But if we see the revenue from operation footnote, which is 17 number, if we go there, we won't find that how we were finding the footnote in Vidhi. So generally it depend on company whether they want to give or not. So here they haven't given. So Vinati haven't given the how much their revenue is contributed by trading and how much is from manufacturing. But if we see like VIP, if we see VIP, if you go to the revenue footnote, now you know how to go to revenue footnote. So we'll directly go to standalone or consolidated. Sorry. So here they have given us what is their revenue from manufacturing and traded goods. Here also they have given with Vidhi have also given, but Vinati has not given. Now if we go and see Reliance, and yeah, I was also making thumbnail are not good, I know, so sorry. So see, if we see their profit and loss statement, I will zoom it. So they have COMC, purchase of stock in trade, and changes in inventory of finished good, work in progress, and stock in trade. So this tells that Reliance do both manufacturing too and trading too. Now if we see Vinati and if we see their PNL for this year FY24, so you can see that purchase of stock for this year is nothing. So we can't tell because here stock in trade is also there. If we see a company who is generally doing manufacturing, if we see with the help of ChatGPT, if we see Indian listed companies who only Hale, if we see Hale, they are telling Hale. L&T, Bhel, Ambuja Grasim, Ambuja can be. So if we see Bhel, no, no, no. So what I wanted to show, yeah, Bajaj Auto, we can one last example if we can find because video is just a minute. I will show you. I will show you. Well, fine. So what I wanted to show you is if you are not seeing this line item, purchase of stock in trade in expense footnote, and this also with purchase of stock in trade, you are not seeing stock in trade in third line item, that means company is not doing any trading revenue, it is generally doing manufacturing revenue. So they are not doing any trading revenue. If we see this, just a minute. Yeah, no, they have see, they have purchase of traded goods. So if you are not seeing this line item, second line item, purchase of stock in trade, and this stock in trade, so that means that this company is not in trading, this is generally doing manufacturing. So with this I will stop my recording, and thank you for seeing. I hope you are able to understand how to calculate gross profit and trading gross profit margin. Thank you for seeing this video.